is for apple, red and sweet. B is for bunny with big feet. C is for cat who likes to purr. D is for dog who goes grrr. E is for elephant so big and gray. F is for frog who hops all day. G is for giraffe so very tall. H is for hippo, big and small. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a roar so wide. M is for monkey swinging by. N is for nest where birds fly. O is for owl who says woo. P is for penguin dancing too. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun shining bright. T is for tiger full of might.